Today we are looking at an ideal cylinder separator. This is an indent separator. It uses two indent drums with different size indents to remove different size products from other products. We're making this video to document our work. We completely rebuilt this unit from top to bottom. We disassembled it, sandblasted everything, repainted everything, repaired anything that needed repaired, replaced anything that needed replaced. You can see we've got new bearings here, new roller chain and sprockets throughout the machine, new idler wheels to carry the ends of the indent drums. You can see that this is a model S12. This unit is in overall great condition. Again, it was completely rebuilt by us here at Commodity Traders International. This unit might as well be a new one. It's ready to go out and perform just as good as a new one and not cost the buyer near as much. We're going to fire it up for you now. You can see it fires right up. You can see the main bearings turning there. The motor's in great shape on this unit. We've test ran this unit for about 3 hours. Runs nice and cool, nice and quiet. Again, we went through all of the mechanical systems on this unit. It's ready to go out and perform again. We can open up the observation port. You can see the indent drum going around in there, hopefully. You can see it from the discharge in here. We have the retarder gates working as they should. Again, every mechanical system on this unit has been gone through, checked over. This unit is in 100% condition and is ready to go out and perform again for a long time. We have more of these indent separators in stock. They can be bought as is, tuned up, or completely rebuilt like this one you see here. Again, it is sold by us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery. Thank you for watching.